Hello student, welcome to programming mode. I hope that you are safe, stay home, stay safe. In this video, we will discuss that legal and illegal variables in Python programming. So you can see that I open a simple document for variables, name, legal and illegal. You can see that you have already learned three rules about naming a variables. You have already learned three rules about naming a variables. First point is you can enclose it in quotation mark. You are not allowed in Python programming and any language that you are not write a variable name in quotation. Yes. Open notepad. I make a variable name number. Declare a variable name number. In Python programming in any language, you are not write a variable name in quotation. Wrong method. Wrong variable name. Wrong variable. Correct variable name is simple number. You are allowed in a number. You can write first word capital or small as your possible. In the second line, you can't have any spaces in it. You have not allowed in Python and any language that you are not write a variable name and spaces in between number in between words. This is wrong variable. This variable is wrong because you entered a spaces between the words, between the alphabets. Spaces between the alphabets in Python programming and any language is not allowed. Simple and quotation is not allowed. And third point is, if can't be number or begin with a number, variable name is not a number. You are not allowed that you will make a variable as a number. You write 2 and imagine that 2 is a variable name. So your imagine is wrong. Wrong variable. Because variable name is not starting with a number. Wrong variable. Yes, you can write a variable name in variable name starting with a word, and you can also add a number. Let's see, number 2. Correct variable, because you can write starting with a your variable name is starting with a alphabet. Your variable name is starting with the alphabet, and you can add a number in and the variable. So this alphabet is sorry, this variable is right. So you are not allowed in any programming that you can declare a variable name only a number. The I think you have cleared all the point. Point one, you can include it a quotation mark, that your variable is not including quotation marks. You can have any spaces in it. You are not allowed in that spaces between the alphabets, and begin with a number. In addition, variables can be any of Python reserved word, also known as keywords. And you can also know that this is the Python keyword. And in any language, all language has its own keywords. So your language is not allowed to declare a variable name as a keyword. So variable keyword is not allowed to use as a variable in any language. So and false not as finally or asserts for pass break from print class global. Uh, this is the list of keywords of Python programming. And this keyword is not used as a variable in Python programming. So I hope that you all are understand in these 3 points. This 3 point is main 3 points of the legal and illegal variables. I hope that you all are understand this topic. Please like, subscribe, and share.